Looking at it dun sa statement na na-mention mo, now, as a leader, how do you ensure yung accountability, ma-ensure na talagang yung mga nagsuserve as well together with you and you as a leader, and also yung transparency, paano mo masisigurado ito?
Ako, matagal ko nang pinopromote yan. In fact, kami yata yung mga unang LGU in the region na nagkaroon ng freedom of information when it comes to mga documentation. Of course, we have the right to regulate, but we do not have the right to withhold kasi the right to people to information is a constitutional right. Of course, the exception is national security, etc. Diba? Pero ang baseline kasi ng tiwala ng tao is kung nakikita nila kung ano yung mga ginagawa mo sa gobyerno. Diba? Paano mo gagawin yon? Let them participate in the affairs of government. Yun din po yung isang pinaglalaban ko hanggang ngayon. Kasi marami pong mga legislations na pinapasa po sa amin, sa sanggunian, na hindi po dumadaan sa tamang deliberation, review, and yung interpellation.